I heard. In this video, we are going to learn uh, what are all the list of Maven goals available, and I will try to explain the first Maven goal. Here, if you see in here, there are total nine goals are available. One is validate goal, compile goal, test goal, package goal, verify goal, install goal, deploy goal, clean goal, site goal. Each and every goal will perform some activity in a project. Here I will try to explain each and every goal in same order only, because if I teach in different order, right, you will not get understand. That's why if I try to explain the same order, right, you can easily capture this information. So the first goal is Maven validate. Maven validate is nothing but the validate is the goal. Here if you see in Maven projects, the main file which we need to see is pom.xml file. This pom.xml file is the main important file in any Maven project. So validate goal will, if you use men validate command, then this validate goal will go to pom.xml file. We'll open the palm, you'll go to the pom.xml file, and then it will check is there any syntax errors are available inside this pom.xml file or not. If it is having any syntax errors, then this validate goal will show an error message. You may ask what kind of syntax messages. If you see here, the syntax errors are, for example, the in pom.xml file. Let me open that pom.xml file so that you will get to know. See, this is the pom.xml. You can see, right, pom.xml file. This entire thing is a XML file only. In XML file, if you see, XML tags are starts with, in XML files are having the let me write here. I will write here. XML tags will have starting tag and ending tag. Example like this. I will copy same thing here. You can see. Let me copy this one group ID so that you will get to know. Just for understanding purpose, paste here. You can see group ID. This first group ID is nothing but starting tag. Ending tag is always closed with forward slash. This is ending tag. That's what I am saying. XML tags will have starting tag and ending tag. Okay. And for example, if this XML tag is not, if this XML tag is not properly closed with forward slash, right, it will throw an error. In the similar way, instead of, if you want to place the, if you want to add any content, right, that content, each text content should be placed between the starting and ending tags only. For example, if you have, whatever the here we have written content, right, XML, this content, one second, if you see here, com.demo.maven. This is content, text content. This text content we have placed between the starting tag and the ending tag. But for example, if you don't place that text content between the starting and ending tag, right, it will give an error. So whatever I have explained, right, that we are going to see practically now. Let me go to here. The first thing is, I just want to see, for example, this group ID is there. No, I don't, I will not close this group ID. You can see now, group ID is starting tag is there, but ending tag is not closed with forward slash, right? Let me save this one. I have saved it. Let me go to where this pom.xml file is available. Here, if you see here, this is my project. Here you can see this is the pom.xml file. Here I just want to, I am going to open command prompt. Just type cmd. It has opened, right? Now here, what we need to do, the maven command which we are checking now is maven validate. So for validate, the command is mvn validate. Okay, you just use mvn validate. Spelling should be correct. Okay, if you can see now Maven validate. Let's see it starts scanning for the projects. Okay, that is fine. From where it is scanning, you can see some problems are encountered while processing the pom.s. This pom.xml file, wherever it is there, right, this pom.xml file, it starts processing, and then it encountered an issue here. Where it is encountered, you can see text must be immediately followed by end tag, not a starting tag. Okay, not a starting tag. It is giving information also here. You can see starting tag seen at group id. Okay, and then there is no ending tag. Here it is saying like, you can see text must be immediately followed by end tag. Where is the text here? This is the text. com.demo.maven is a text. It should be followed by ending tag, but not starting tag. Here you can see ending tag should be starts with forward slash, but we have given without forward slash, right? It acts as a, this group id acts as a starting tag. That's what it is saying. Text content should immediately text must be immediately followed by end tag, but not the start tag. Or else you can see now. See, this is the group ID starting tag. Then we have given some text content here. That that text content should be must be followed by ending tag, but not the starting tag. Here that information also it is giving. You can see that line numbers also it is giving somewhere. Yeah, you can see what is the line number? Line number 11 and column number 34. Go to here, line number 11. This is where it is having issue. Line number 11. This is the where it is having issue, right? Column number 34. This is the place. So this is one of the use case for the validate command. I'm just going to reverse that one. I mean revert that one. Control Z. We got the ending tag. Save it. Then one more case is there. For example, after this one, after here, without using any starting and ending tag, I am going to use some text content only. Let's see, testing validate. Okay, let's save this one. Control S, save it. Then go here and again type men validate. See, let's see, let it validate first. See, scanning for the project, the first line scanning for the project. Then some problems were encountered while processing the pom.s. What is that problem here? Malformed. Then it is giving like expected starting or ending tag, not text. Okay, that position also they are giving. You can see text C group id. After this one they are saying /testing validate. You can see after group id there is some line, means here line means new line. After group id there is a new line. In that new line they have written like testing validate. This should be inside. They are saying starting and ending tag only. Okay, and that line numbers also they are given 13. If you come here, line number 13, that means before line number 13, you can see before line number 13, column number 4. Okay, so I mean in between, you can see at line number 13 it is facing issue, means after line number 11 it should have some starting and ending tag. Instead of that one, I mean it is not having any any starting and ending tag. That's why it has given that error. Simply now do control Z, it will be reverted. Now see, let's save this one, control S. Now when we save this one, right, now use Maven validate now. Maven validate now. Let's see what it will do. See now it's build success. That means the entire whatever the text available inside this pom.xml file, everything is fine. There are no issues with this one. So this with this maven validate command, this maven validate command will validate the pom.xml file. Validating the pom.xml means is there any syntax errors are there or not, it will check. If it is there, it will throw an error. If it is not there, it will simply validate and it will give build success. Okay, this is what information about the validate command. One more is there. Instead of here, if you see validate command is in the lower case only. Instead of lower case, if you try to give uppercase, right, it will throw an error. Let's see. See, unknown life cycle phase, validate. I will explain what is life cycle, how many life cycle phases are there, everything in the future tutorial. Okay, now here validate is invalid, that's why it has thrown an error. So in simply now you need to use small case validate. Now let's see. Yeah, this is successfully built the project and it has given build success. Okay, yeah, that's it for the that's it, the information about the validate command, guys. Thank you guys, please do like, share and subscribe for more encouragement. Thank you guys.